Japanese women are well known for their slim, healthy, and toned figures. While genetics almost certainly plays a role, many claim that their morning ritual may also be helping them stay healthier. Put simply, most Japanese women drink water immediately upon waking. This ritual, now deeply rooted within Japanese culture, is actually a form of water treatment that's scientifically proven to help remedy a number of body disorders. Unlike the US and other Western countries, Japan's population does not suffer heavily from disorders such as obesity and diabetes. It stands to reason that we could learn a thing or two from their healthier lifestyles. Why is drinking water so important? For a start, 70% of your body is made up of water, so it's essential to keep it fresh and topped up to keep the body working properly. When the body's water requirement is not met, it has a variety of negative short-term and long-term health consequences. Long-term dehydration can lead to rheumatoid arthritis, migraines, angina, colitis, dyspepsia, hypertension, obesity, hemorrhoids, breast cancer, pulmonary tuberculosis, kidney stones, sinusitis, and uterine cancers. Help your body to better avoid these conditions by drinking water after waking up and keeping your body hydrated throughout the day. How can I perform water treatment? This is a proven method for treating body disorders, menstrual disorders, and eye-related ailments. Also, you will feel invigorated the whole day after following this water treatment. 1. Helps rid the body of toxins. As you drink water, it naturally urges movement in your bowels. At night, your body repairs itself and casts out all the toxins in the body. When you drink water on an empty stomach in the morning, you will flush out these harmful toxins, leaving your body fresh and healthy. Drinking plenty of water can help in increasing the production of muscle cells and new blood cells. 2. Improves metabolism. Drinking water on an empty stomach can increase your metabolic rate by at least 24%. It is very important for those people who are on a strict diet. An increased metabolic rate means an improved digestive system. You will be able to follow your diet routine more easily if you digest faster. Drinking water immediately after waking up purifies the colon, making it easier to absorb nutrients. 3. Reinforces healthy weight loss. When you drink water in the morning on an empty stomach, you will release all your toxins and it will improve your digestive system. You will feel less hungry and your cravings will be reduced. This will prevent weight gain caused by overeating. 4. Alleviates heartburn and indigestion. Indigestion is caused by increased acidity in the stomach. You suffer from heartburn when the acid refluxes into your esophagus. When you drink water on an empty stomach, these acids are pushed down and get diluted, solving the problem. Also, this provides a head start for your stomach for the upcoming breakfast. 5. Improves complexion and skin radiance. Dehydration causes premature wrinkles and deep pores in the skin. It was found out in a study that drinking 500 milliliters of water on an empty stomach increases blood flow in the skin and makes skin glow. Also, drinking more water throughout the day means that your body is releasing toxins, which will make your skin more radiant. 6. Promotes shiny, smooth, and healthy hair. Dehydration can have a serious impact on your hair growth. Drinking plenty of water nourishes your hair from the inside out. Water makes up almost 1/4 of the weight of a hair strand. An insufficient intake of water can cause brittle hair and thin hair strands. You should drink more water every day, but drinking water on an empty stomach can improve the quality of your hair to a greater extent. 7. Prevents kidney stones and bladder infections. Drinking water immediately after waking up is important for preventing kidney stones and bladder infections. It is a fact that drinking water on an empty stomach dilutes the acids which lead to stones in the kidney. The more water you drink, to a healthy limit, the more you will be protected from various kinds of bladder infections caused by toxins. 8. Strengthens immune system. Drinking water on an empty stomach helps in flushing and balancing the lymphatic system, which leads to increased levels of immunity. A strong immune system will keep you safe from various diseases and prevent you from falling sick as often. As you can see, there are a whole host of benefits of drinking water immediately after waking up. It's without a doubt the easiest way to make a positive change to your lifestyle without spending any money.